What if we told you that one of the world's leading luxury car manufacturers, BMW, started not with cars but with airplanes? That's right. The journey of Bayerische Motorenwerke, or as we know it, BMW, is an intriguing tale of adaptation and evolution. Our story starts in the early 20th century, back in the year 1916. Nestled in the heart of Bavaria, Germany, a new company emerged as a producer of aircraft engines. This company, Rapp Motorenwerke, would later evolve into the BMW we know today. The roar of their engines powered the biplanes that crisscrossed the European skies, marking the dawn of a new era in transportation and warfare. However, the end of World War I brought with it the Treaty of Versailles, which imposed restrictions on aircraft production in Germany. This sudden shift in the landscape forced BMW to rethink and reinvent. What resulted was a pivot from the skies to the roads, a transformation that saw BMW delve into the world of motorcycles and eventually automobiles. In the year 1923, BMW unveiled its first motorcycle, the R32, a machine that combined innovative design with robust performance. But the company didn't stop there. The allure of four wheels proved irresistible, and soon BMW ventured into car production. In 1928, the world was introduced to the first BMW car, the BMW 315. This compact yet powerful vehicle marked BMW's maiden voyage into the automotive industry. The 315 wasn't just a car, it was a statement of intent. A promise that BMW was here to stay, and not just in aviation, but in the realm of ground transportation as well. And so, a company born out of the necessity of war and shaped by the constraints of peace found its new path. A path that took it from the skies above to the roads below, from propellers to pistons, from aircraft to automobiles. And just like that, BMW made a successful transition from the skies to the roads. Did you know that BMW almost ceased to exist after World War II? The war took a heavy toll on the company, with its factories being systematically destroyed. Yet in this period of extreme adversity, BMW demonstrated an unyielding spirit of resilience. During the war, BMW had been a crucial player in the German war machine, producing aircraft engines, motorcycles, and military vehicles. But as the war ended, the destruction of its factories forced the company to halt all production. The company found itself on the brink of extinction, its future uncertain and grim. But BMW was not about to throw in the towel. In a remarkable display of adaptability, the company began to manufacture kitchen utensils and bicycles of all things. It might seem odd for a company known for its engineering prowess and high-performance vehicles to resort to such basic production. Yet this was a crucial pivot that allowed BMW to survive in a devastated post-war economy. This period of survival was not just about staying afloat. It was a time of innovation and reinvention. The company was learning new skills, honing its craft, and preparing for a triumphant return to the automotive industry. The skills and lessons learned during this period would later prove invaluable in BMW's rise to prominence. Then, in 1952, BMW made its triumphant return to car production with the launch of the BMW 501. This was a luxury saloon car, a clear departure from the company's pre-war production. The 501 was not just a car, it was a symbol of resurgence, a statement that BMW was back and ready to reclaim its place in the automotive industry. The journey from war-torn rubble to luxury car manufacturer was not easy. It was fraught with obstacles and required a level of resilience and adaptability few could muster. Yet, BMW managed to navigate this challenging period, demonstrating a tenacity that would become a hallmark of the company's ethos. Despite the odds, BMW proved its resilience, bouncing back stronger than ever. Ever wondered when BMW became the ultimate driving machine? Let's take a step back in time to the transformative 1960s, a pivotal era for BMW that marked the birth of a new class. BMW's new class line was a breath of fresh air, a game changer that catapulted the brand into a new dimension. This was when the world first got a taste of the BMW 1500, a car that was more than just a vehicle. It was an experience. With its compact design and agile handling, the 1500 quickly became a favorite, setting the stage for the success that was to follow. Then came the famous BMW 2002. This model was a beacon of innovation, boasting power, precision, and a driving experience that was second to none. It was swift, it was smooth, and it was sporty. The 2002 was a statement, a declaration that BMW was here to redefine the driving experience, and redefine it did. Just when the world thought BMW had reached its pinnacle, the automaker surprised everyone yet again in 1975 with the introduction of the BMW 3 Series. This was not just another car, it was a revolution on wheels. The 3 Series was a manifestation of BMW's commitment to creating sporty, driver-focused cars. It was a testament to their dedication to superior handling, responsive engines, and a balance that made every drive feel like an adventure. With the 3 Series, BMW didn't just create a car, it created a legacy of performance, of driving pleasure, of an unparalleled bond between a driver and their machine. The 3 Series became an icon, a symbol of BMW's relentless pursuit of perfection, and a benchmark for all sports sedans that followed. From this point onwards, BMW had firmly established its identity as the creator of the ultimate driving machine. The rest, as they say, is history. A history filled with innovation, evolution, and a passion for driving that continues to shape the automotive world to this day. How did BMW rise to dominate the luxury car market? It all began with an unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence. From the 1980s onwards, BMW started to redefine the very essence of luxury and performance. BMW's design philosophy has always been about seamlessly blending aesthetics and aerodynamics. The company's relentless pursuit of design perfection has led to the creation of distinctive and iconic BMW styles that are instantly recognizable on the road. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, BMW has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering. The BMW M Series, a testament to the company's racing heritage, has set new standards in high-performance vehicles. These machines are created for speed, yet they never compromise on comfort or safety. Technology has always been at the heart of BMW's innovation. The company has been an early adopter of cutting-edge technologies, integrating them into their vehicles to enhance the driving experience. Features such as gesture control, head-up display, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities are just a few examples of how BMW has harnessed technology to redefine luxury. The BMW 1 Series, meanwhile, reflects the company's commitment to sustainability. These electric vehicles combine BMW's trademark driving pleasure with zero-emissions mobility, proving that luxury and eco-friendliness can go hand in hand. BMW's innovations have not only set them apart, but also propelled them to the forefront of the luxury car market. The company's sales figures speak for themselves, with BMW consistently ranking among the world's top-selling luxury car brands. But what truly sets BMW apart is their constant striving for improvement. They understand that in the world of luxury cars, standing still is the same as moving backwards. And so, they continue to innovate, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to redefine luxury in their own terms. With a perfect blend of innovation, performance, and luxury, BMW continues to lead the pack. The company's story is one of relentless innovation, unwavering commitment to quality, and a bold vision for the future of luxury motoring. It's a story that continues to be written, with each new BMW model that rolls off the production line. What does the future hold for BMW? As we venture into the coming years, BMW is steadfastly committed to leading the charge in the world of electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology. The company's pioneering spirit is evident in its future plans, with a clear vision of a greener, smarter tomorrow. BMW's upcoming models are set to redefine the automotive landscape. Imagine vehicles that not only offer the exceptional driving experience that BMW is known for, but also prioritize sustainability and connectivity. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that BMW is actively bringing to life. The company's vision for the future extends beyond its vehicles. BMW is set on revolutionizing the way we interact with our cars, making them not just a mode of transport, but an integral part of our digital lives. With its rich history and innovative spirit, the future certainly looks bright for BMW.